Off the Grid Campers, in this video we're showing you the operation of the Roadchef 2 travel oven. Okay, now the digital travel oven is not just a gimmick, it's actually quite good to use, not having to use a dial, because you can set the temperature and the timer exactly. And so I'm just going to show you how to turn it on. Just hit the power button here and it will turn the oven on. You don't need to hit the power button there. Okay, so what we're going to do is just open the oven. We are going to cook some pies for lunch, so we're going to throw some pies in. It's not just a pie warmer, and we'll show you that in other videos and photos. We've got quite a library of different things we've cooked, from roast to chocolate cakes and brownies, chips, potato bake, all that sort of stuff. Anything that will fit in there will cook just as good as with your normal oven. They just take a little bit longer to heat up, but being 12 volt, they also don't really consume that much power. It's very power efficient. So it says 100 watts on here, but we find through the Acrono it actually will go a lot higher than that. It will go up to about 150, which is still fine. It's not drawing the wattage of a kettle or an induction cooktop. So you can leave it running for hours, not a problem. We've put our pies in. I should mention we've taken that top shelf out. There's also a baking or a roasting dish, but we use, there's the baking dish up there, but we use, I think they're in here, we use foil trays, just a foil disposable trays if we're going to cook a roast, save having to clean a baking dish out. Okay, so just latching that closed. To set the temperature, just hit the temp button there, and then it goes all the way up to 200 degrees, and find that it works best at maximum temperature. Okay, and then hit your timer. You can hold the button down. We're going to time it. We're going to run these for, say, 2 hours. I'll come back down to 120 minutes. It'll go up to a maximum of 180 minutes or 3 hours. So we've set that to 120 minutes. And that's basically all you need to do. But if you say it comes back down to 60 minutes and you think, oh, it's going to need another hour, you can adjust it on the fly. So you can turn it back up or increase the time, and it will keep going. So it's as easy as that. The instructions are also on here, but it's a very good unit, very easy to use, and we will post some photos of what we've cooked accompanying this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.